In this video, we're going to be going over how to create your first Java project. We're going to be creating the Chatty program. To begin, we're going to want to launch IntelliJ and choose the option to create a new project. Make sure you have Maven selected and also make sure that the project SDK is the latest version. For this video, that's going to be 1.8. Remember to keep this checkbox unmarked, then go to Next. In the Group ID text box, we're going to type in com.company. In the Artifact ID box, we'll put in Chatty program. Leave the version number as is, and click Next. Here, we're going to set the location in which you want to save your project, and click Finish. What comes up is the POM file. The POM file is the Maven configuration file for the project. You'll notice that some of the information we filled out when creating the project are displayed. You should not modify what is here without a good understanding of what it does. For now, we can just close this. Let's navigate through our folders and go to src, main, and Java. The src folder is where the project's source files are stored. Since we're building using Java, we're going to be using the Java folder. Here, we're going to create a class. To do this, we're going to right-click on the Java folder and click on New, Java Class. We're going to give it the name com.company.chatty. This is a customary practice used in the workforce where the base package is the reverse of the organization's domain name. In this example, com.company is company.com in reverse. Once we've got the class created, let's get to coding. With Java programs, we're going to need to start by creating a main method. To do this, we'll start by writing out public static void main string args. Now this probably seems like jargon to you right now, but don't worry, you'll be able to break this down very soon. Right now, we want to focus on getting something working. Our task for this activity is to create a program that has the following output. To do this, we're going to use a Java statement. With practice, this syntax will become second nature to you. We're going to type out system.out.println and the text that we want to see printed. We're going to need to remember to surround the text with quotations. Otherwise, we'll run into issues. Alright, so we're going to write in the first line, hi! Don't forget to add a semicolon at the end. This tells the compiler that you are at the end of the line. Don't worry if that didn't make sense. Just know that it's good coding practice to close all of your lines with a semicolon. Once we have this, let's go ahead and run the program to see if it functions. We'll go to Run and click on Run here. We'll select the class that we've created. Alright, we got it to print exactly what we wanted. Now we're going to write out the syntax for every line. It may seem tedious and you may want to copy paste this, but the more practice you get, the more ingrained this will become. Once we've done all of this, let's go ahead and run the program once more. Don't forget to make sure that you've started and closed all of your sentences with quotation marks. Also, don't forget to end all of your lines with semicolons. Alright, let's go ahead and run this now. And voila! We've successfully completed the Chatty program.